Welcome to Choodle Sketches by Sir Choobie, where faith is learned, understood, and deepened in simple ways. Let's get started. In our world today, many acts once seen as evil are now accepted as normal. But sin is not just an outdated moral term, it's a wound in the human heart that disfigures our true image of God. Understanding sin helps us see why we need grace, mercy, and conversion. I'm Sir Choobie, and today we unfold the mystery of sin, its meaning, kinds, and its impact on us. In the Bible, sin is described as missing the mark, failing to live the great commandment, to love God, others, and ourselves. In Hebrew, kata means to err or stumble, pesha means rebellion, avon means iniquity. In Greek, the term hamartia captures this failure to aim at the good, an archery term for missing the target of love. St. Thomas Aquinas defines sin as a turning away from the immutable good. It is not merely breaking a rule, but breaking a relationship with God, others, and self. The Catechism calls sin an offense against truth, right reason, and the eternal law. Sin is a choice that distorts love into selfishness. Sin has three dimensions. Personal sin destroys inner harmony. Social sin harms our neighbor and society. Religious sin rejects God and His order. Every sin, no matter how private, ripples outward, hurting relationships, structures, and even culture. There are two main degrees of sin. Mortal sin, from mors meaning death, is a grave act done with full knowledge and consent. It severs our relationship with God. Venial sin weakens love but does not destroy it. Yet, when left unchecked, venial sins can prepare the soul for greater falls. Sins can be internal, like evil desires or prejudice, or external, like harmful actions or neglect. Internal sins, mental complacency, sinful joy, or evil desire, begin in thought and grow in silence. External sins, commission and omission, reveal the inner disorder. Remember, not doing good is also sin. The 7 capital sins are roots of all evil: pride, envy, greed, lust, gluttony, sloth, and anger. Saint Gregory called them capital because they beget other sins. Each opposes a virtue: humility, charity, generosity, chastity, temperance, diligence, and meekness. To fight sin, we must cultivate virtue. Beyond individuals, sin infects systems, unjust laws, inequality, corruption. These are structures of sin. When we remain silent before injustice, we participate in it. Conversion, then, must be both personal and communal, seeking to heal society through truth and charity. Sin deprives us of God's image, wounds human nature, and breaks solidarity. It darkens reason, weakens the will, and inclines us towards selfishness. The world itself becomes distorted, a place where temptation thrives. Yet even here, grace abounds more. Sin may disfigure us, but grace restores. The mercy of God is greater than our capacity to sin. Repentance reopens our hearts to love. God does not tire of forgiving. He waits for us to return. The sacrament of reconciliation is not shame, it is healing. We are not human beings having a spiritual experience. We are spiritual beings having a human journey. Sin distorts our image, but grace perfects it. Let us walk in light, renew our hearts, and share God's love in a wounded world. This is Sir Choobie reminding you, true freedom begins when we say yes to grace and no to sin.